month of December, the world stood still. Sayalina no mubula against my own will. Bakasorin no dave tala. It happened so fast. Now I'm holding on to memories of a love built to last. Oilei, Watiqu, you're the greatest love I've ever known. Moce, I feel it deep in my bones. Our two sons stand before me, Isau of your love. I know you're watching over us from the heavens above. So moce, Watiqu, noqu, vakamau, my best friend. Our love is a story that will never end. Just look at our two sons, look at them now. Two seeds you have planted, I make you this vow. The eldest is graduating, a teacher he will be. Isau no moce is all that I see. Like your father in the garden, planting with his hands, you've left a legacy that forever stands. It's so hard to say goodbye when I wasn't prepared, but I'm grateful for every single moment we share. You live on in our children, you live on in my heart. Though you're gone from this earth, we are never apart. You're the greatest love I've ever known. Moce, I feel it deep in my bones. Our two sons stand before me, Isau of your love. I know you're watching over us from the heavens above. So moce, Watiqu, noqu, vakamau, my best friend. Our love is a story that will never end. The Isau of your love, my teacher, my son, my father's God. So moce, noqu, far away. Uptown gang music, keeping the soul alive. One love, always.